My friends, our smile is one of our greatest assets. It lets the world know that we're happy, approachable, friendly, warm, and inviting. But one of the key components to actually expressing your smile is to show your teeth, which is why it's important that we brush twice a day, not only to fight dragon breath, but to keep those pearly whites in tip-top condition. So how much more important is it that our toothbrush stays clean and hygienic? Whether your teeth are twisted and mangled, straight as stilts, or can disappear faster than a ninja, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to clean your toothbrush with confidence. Alright, so now that the intro is out of the way, let's talk about how to clean your toothbrush. So step number one is to run your toothbrush under a stream of hot water. And then what you're going to do is just kind of shake it or tap it against the side of the sink to dislodge any type of debris, food, and this will also help to get off any old toothpaste that may be stuck on it. That is essentially how to clean your toothbrush. Now let's take it a step further and actually kill some germs and bacteria. What you're going to do about once a week, or I mean you could do it after every use, just depending on how dirty your mouth is, what you've been putting in there, or I don't know, some people are a little bit more germaphobe, than others. But what you want to do is about once a week is you want to soak your toothbrush, put this down, you want to soak your toothbrush in some type of, you can use peroxide or you can use an antiseptic mouthwash like Listerine or something. So get you a little container, take your toothbrush, stick it in the container, and what you're going to do is fill up right above the bristles. You just need to go right above the bristles. You're going to fill it up with that antiseptic mouthwash, and you're going to let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes, and it will kill all the germs and bacteria. I like to keep my mouthwash in a bottle with a cork. Pop the cork off. Remember, we're just going right above the bristles. Right like that. And you're going to allow that to soak, like I said, for 5 to 10 minutes. I should mention that this is only good for one-time use, so after you do this, don't try to use it multiple times. Pour out the mouthwash down the drain, and then a week later when you repeat this process, or just whenever you do it, pour you some fresh mouthwash and start the process over again. Now that we've cleaned and disinfected the toothbrush, let's talk about storing it and maintaining it in between uses. After you finish brushing your teeth, you always want to store it bristles up so it can air dry. You never want to put it down inside or into a cup or anything that might be damp or wet. This is dark, and basically it holds moisture down inside of it. And also you never want to put it like inside of a drawer and then close the drawer. Those dark areas hold moisture and it'll keep your toothbrush damp, which can turn it into like a bacteria farm. You can start to grow bacteria, mold, and then you're going to be putting that in your mouth. It can get you sick. You don't want that. So always store your toothbrush in some kind of container like this, bristles up so it can air dry. So that is it, my friends. That is my toothbrush tutorial. Thanks so much for checking out the video. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave me a comment down below. Implement the steps I've outlined in this video. And the next time you find yourself engaged in conversation, smile and express the joy and happiness that you're feeling.